Hey everyone, Pierce Braga here with Tide Property Management. In today's vocab series, we have buyer's market. So a buyer's market is anytime the demand for properties is lower than that of the supply. So some indicators that you can be on the lookout for when it comes to a buyer's market, or in this case, a renter's market, would be lower prices. You'll see a lot more concessions from either landlords or sellers. It makes it an ideal market for buyers to kind of pick and choose which properties they want to go with. As a friendly PSA, when it comes to pricing properties, whether it be for rentals or for selling, you don't get to determine how much you think your property is worth. The market will always dictate. So just keep that in mind when it comes to pricing a property and you're shaking your head, why isn't my property rented yet? Or why isn't my property sold yet? It'll always be due to the market determining what the price is. I'm Pierce Braga with Tide Property Management, and we look forward to hearing from you.